Hey guys, it's Brian from Arrowhead Garage, and this week on Firebird Friday, we are going to learn how to clean up paint off of chrome and old rubber on this episode. So with that, I'm going to shut up and let's get to wrenching on this week's episode of Firebird Friday. All right, so we have our chrome vent window out, and as you can see, it needs some cleanup. It's got some paint on it from Overspray on the chrome here. It's got some Overspray on the rubber, and this is the original rubber, but it's still good for now, so I'm going to leave it in there. We don't have time to replace it, but down the road we will. So lots of stuff to clean this up. Step number one, wash it. Get some Dawn detergent, some warm water in a bucket, and wash the part. Step number one. Now, with that being said, let's go do it. Okay, we have a bucket of warm water with some dish soap in it. Get some suds in here. Now I have a Scotch-Brite on one side and a sponge on the other, plus a microfiber towel. So never use the Scotch-Brite side, the rough edges, on the chrome, only on the non-chrome area. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's do the non-chrome area first. So we're basically just going to wash the rubber. Our goal here is just to clean off any dirt. So right here, that's not chrome. We can hit that. We'll flip this over. Put the chrome on the rubber on this side. You can see the years of paint on this thing. It's probably about as much as I can do on that. Go ahead, we'll take care of this. Oh, that's chrome too. Okay, then we'll take our rag and we'll try to clean all the chrome now. Again, all this step is just remove dirt. Just want to remove the dirt. Now, we've cleaned it down with we've cleaned it down with dishwashing detergent, got it all cleaned up. Now let's see if we can get rid of some of this paint that is on here. And we're going to try to use mineral spirits and a clean rag. And I know you guys are like, oh my gosh, this fresh painted Firebird, you're messing on it. We are, but we still have to sand and buff. So plus I have a towel down, and bench space right now is at a premium around here with so many different projects going on with the Firebird. So comment down below what you think, and I'd love to see it because that just helps this video go whoop to the top of the algorithm. So ching, hit the like button. First thing I'm gonna do is just dampen the rag and just do a wipe over and see if that does anything for us. It's taking the dirt off, but I don't see any improvement there. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of wet this rag in this area, lay it on there for about 20 seconds or so, and see what we can come up with. Okay, let's do this first. We'll just lay it on there, and we'll wait 30 seconds. Did that help it any? Yeah, I don't, maybe. It definitely made the chrome shiny, I'll tell you that right now. But I don't see it changing any of the, removing any of the paint. Now, let's grab some steel wool. Okay, steel wool. There's a link down below where you can buy this on Amazon. It must be triple or quad zero. That is what you want. Make sure it says that. Nothing like that. No. It has to be this one. So let's go in here. Now, I just used a razor blade and pulled me off some steel wool. Let's zoom in on that real quick here. Now, you never want to dry rub. Always want to wet it down. So let's go back to our mineral spirits. Let's just kind of douse this up here. Get it kind of damp here. And let's try this. That's definitely making it smaller. There we go. That's taking it right off. We'll go ahead and we'll hit all these other spots real quick. Okay, that did an actual really good job on the chrome, getting all of it off of there. There's a few more spots that I'll do off camera. But look at that. That thing right there is good. Now, as far as the rubber, that I think we can. So now we're talking about this here on the strip right here. And again, I'll come back and clean this up off camera. I want to show you this. Rubbing alcohol. 99% rubbing alcohol. I'll have a link for it down below. You can also get this little canister that makes it easy to put on there. But we're simply going to put a line down here of rubbing alcohol, take our rag, and just kind of work it in. Let's give it a shot. Take our rag. And since rubber is a little more forgiving than chrome, you can use a fingernail. Let's take one of those plastic trim tools. Kind of. Let it sit there for just a second. So the steel wool actually is doing the best job. It took all the red, and what's left is the primer that my brother used some 20, 30 years ago. Hit it one more time. Take our fingernail. Kind of give it a little extra help. Go back in and try again. Look at that. Yep. So it's just elbow grease, taking the time and working it. Look at that. Look at that. Just that little bit left. Right there. A little bit right there. Just take our thumb, fingernail. Hit it one last time. There's still wool. I think we got it. I think we got it, guys. Of course, I'll go ahead and do the rest of this off camera, but just to show you, look at that. Cleaned that rubber right up. All right, there we go. We got that big piece of red paint that was on here off. We got all the paint along the rubber off. I said we did a pretty damn good job today. All right, guys, so it looks like some 4-0 steel wool, some mineral spirits, some 99% rubbing alcohol, and a lot of elbow grease, and you can clean chrome and rubber that has paint on it. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber already to Arrowhead Garage, take a minute, hit subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. Definitely helps us out to reach that magical 100,000 subscriber mark. So with that, I'll let you guys be. I'll see you next Friday for another edition of Firebird Friday.